Hello everybody, this is my HHO device making about 2 liters per minute. Now we'll turn on. This is amperage gauge who will turn it on. Very old Gatala 182, now drawing about 28 amps. Because my first video is not measured yet, but I think will be much better after 1000 kilometers. About 27 amps now, then heat after 20 minutes will be on about 30 amps. You will see that I have a switch who has not been used for a long time. This is the switch for the back shield heater, but his don't work. Now I get them the purpose to work. This is my voltmeter. Now, after some time, it's doing 26 amps. But much. That is. Let's check back here. Bubble is here. Now it's bubbling. Later on, about 30 degrees, little more. That is that for now. I will put some more videos when do more tests. Over and out.